Good evening viewers, welcome to Power Sector News. Today's headlines. Telangana Chief Minister urges Prime Minister to stop Singareni coal auction. Solar based lift irrigation scheme in Jharkhand. Updates related to solar projects and tenders. Updates related to electric vehicle ecosystem. Coming to the details. Telangana Chief Minister urged Prime Minister to stop auctioning of 4 coal blocks of Singareni Collieries Company Limited as proposed by Union Coal Ministry. The Singareni Collieries Company is producing 65 million tons of coal every year and playing a key role in catering to the needs of thermal power plants in Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. CM wrote and urged the Prime Minister to instruct the Coal Ministry to stop the auction of JBROC 3, Sravanpalli Opencast, Koyagudam Opencast 3, KK6 UG block under its Singareni jurisdiction for coal and allocate those coal blocks to Singareni. The five trade unions have served notice on management of state-owned Singareni Collieries Company Limited to go on 72-hour strike to press for a charter of demands which includes removal of 4 coal blocks of the Singareni Collieries Company Limited from the Coal Ministry's list for commercial coal mine auction. Solar-based lift irrigation schemes will prove to be a game changer for the agriculture sector in Jharkhand. Lift irrigation is primarily targeted at farmers who cannot afford diesel pumps or other traditional boring systems. In Simdega, a solar-based lift irrigation system has been developed and is providing irrigation facilities to farmers. More than 175 schemes have been taken for solar lift irrigation. One solar lift irrigation system can be used for irrigating 10 acres of land. The West Bengal Power Development Corporation Limited has invited bids for setting up of 22.5 megawatt of grid-connected floating solar projects in thermal power stations at Bakreshwar, Santilda and Sagardidi. Of 22.5 megawatt tender capacity, 10 megawatt of floating solar project will be developed at Bakreshwar, while 7.5 megawatt and 5 megawatt will be developed at Santaldi and Sagardidi respectively. The last date to submit bids is January 24, 2022. Technical bids will be opened on January 28. The pre-bid meeting will take place on January 4th. Bengaluru-based renewable energy platform Ayana Renewable Power has commissioned 150 megawatt out of 300 megawatt of its interstate transmission system connected solar PV project at Bikaner, Rajasthan. Integrated EV charging solutions company Magenta had made significant investment in Hyderabad-based EV component maker Axiom Energy Conversion. The majority stake acquisition of Axiom enables Magenta to have a large in-house manufacturing facility for its EV charging equipment with a mission to make in India, make for world. Electric two-wheeler startup Simple Energy has signed a memorandum of understanding with Tamil Nadu government for an investment of up to 2,500 crore rupees for an electric two-wheeler factory in Dharmapuri, Hosur, which at a peak capacity will crank out more than 12 million units. Mahindra Group and Jio BP, a joint venture between Reliance Industries and BP, have teamed up to explore creation of electric vehicle products and services. The alliance will also explore low carbon solutions. Mahindra Group and its channel partners' locations will be evaluated for setting up Jio BP stations, including EV charging and swapping points. Additionally, business models like mobility as a service and battery as a service will be explored, wherein Jio BP could provide charging solutions to electric vehicles made by Mahindra Group. Electric two-wheeler mobility platform eByGo has acquired the rights to manufacture Mobi electric vehicle of Spanish automotive company Toret in India. This is company's third acquisition in this year. Additional news today. 51 thermal power plants with cumulative capacity of 59.9 gigawatt are running with coal stock of less than 8 days. The board of directors of NHPC Limited has accorded its approval for the merger of its subsidiary Lanco Teesta Hydropower Limited. IIT Delhi's Industry Interface arm FITT has signed an agreement with IntelliSmart Infrastructure Private Limited to develop smart grid functions, advanced research to drive the development of real-time smart grid solutions. MNRE confirms that only DISCOM empaneled vendors are authorized to set up rooftop solar under scheme in respective states. MNRE has not authorized any vendors for the same. Price discovery at Power Exchange. National Load Dispatch Center has scheduled 186.76 million units of power for tomorrow, cleared through Indian Energy Exchange. Coming to the price discovery details. Price discovered during night 2 rupees 18 paisa per unit. Price discovered during day 3 rupees 59 paisa per unit. Price discovered during evening 5 rupees 84 paisa per unit. Price discovered round the clock 3 rupees 96 paisa per unit. Weighted average price is 4 rupees 20 paisa per unit. There is no congestion for power transfer in the network and the prices are uniform in all the regions. In green day-ahead market, 6.3 million units of volume cleared with a weighted average price of 4 rupees 15 paisa per unit. Thank you and good day.